We'll guide you through how to add a border or outline to a video in CapCut PC. First, import the video you want to add the border or outline to. Now you need a solid color background for the border. This can be any color you want, like white, black, red, or blue. You can download a solid color image online or create one yourself using any graphic tool. For this example, I'll use a solid white background image. Now drag and drop the color image into the timeline. Adjust it so it matches the same length as your video. After that, grab your video and place it above the solid color layer in the timeline. Now select the video layer. Go to the top right, click on Video, then Basic. Scroll down to the Transform section. Now slightly lower the scale of the video. As you reduce the scale, you'll start seeing the border appear around the edges. Adjust it until the outline looks exactly how you want. Once you're happy with it, drag over both layers to select them together. Then right-click and choose Create Compound Clip. This will combine both layers together and make editing much easier. And that's basically it. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more CapCut PC tutorials.